Okay, so welcome to Justin's craps tutorial. Alright, so the first thing that's going to happen most of the time when you walk up to the casino is you're going to drop your money. So let's say you get $100. So it's going to be 4 even stacks of 5 chips. So you get those from the dealer, and then you bring them up to the pass line. Well, usually you put them in the chip rack, but because this table doesn't have one, you'll pretend that they're on the chip rack. Okay, so this is the tutorial on pass line betting. So let's do the pass line first. So when you walk up to the table and nothing's happening, normally this marker is going to say off. At that point you can put a bet on the pass line. So the pass line wins if you roll a 7 or 11, and it loses if you roll a crap number called 2, 3, or 12. So let's say we put $5 on the pass line, that's pretty standard. And let's say that we rolled a 2, or snake eyes. So we go back to the pass line over here, that's a 2, 3, or 12, so we would lose the pass line, dealer takes it away, and you lose $5. So note that the marker still says off. Okay, so marker's still off. Let's say that we rebet, so you'd still win on a 7 or 11, lose on a 2, 3, or 12. Let's say on the next roll, the roller is luckier, they roll a 7, so 6 and 1. So you'd win even money on the pass line. So now you're up $5. Okay, so that is the easiest thing. That's the come out roll. If you roll another number that's not 7 or 11 or 2, 3, or 12, you're going to roll what's called a point. So if you roll a 4, a 5, a 6, an 8, a 9, or a 10, you are going to roll a point. Okay, so let's say you're a pass line bet. Let's say that you roll a 4. So this would be 4, 1, and 3. It's called an easy 4 because the two numbers don't match. So 1 and 3 is called easy 4. 3 and 1 is easy 4, 2 and 2 would be a hard 4. So the marker, which was originally off, now goes into the on position on the 4. And then we go back to our pass line. We would win here if we roll a 4 before a 7. If we roll any other numbers, which would be 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12, nothing happens. Okay, so it's only 4 or 7 are the action numbers, so it's the only ones that are going to do anything. Okay, so if you're confident that you're going to roll another 4 before 7, what you can do is you can put odds behind the line. Okay, so standard betting usually puts double the amount of money behind the pass line. So we have $5 on the pass line, and now we have $10 behind the line. Okay, let's say we're pretty lucky, so we roll a 2 and also another 2. So that's called a hard 4. Let's say we got lucky. So we roll a 4 before 7. That means that we would win 2 to 1 behind the pass line, and then 1 to 1 on the pass line as well. So that's a total of $25 that you would win if you rolled a 4 before 7. And the reason being because it's much harder to roll a 4 than a 7, because there's only 3 different combinations on the dice that you can roll a 4. A 3 and a 1, a 1 and 3, and 2 and 2. Versus a 7 where you have 6 different combinations, right? Okay. So at that point, if you roll a 4 before 7, the marker goes back off. And you would go back to the come-out roll where you win on 7, 11, and lose on 2, 3, and 12. So each of the numbers pay different odds. So 4 behind the line would pay 2 to 1, 5 would pay 3 to 2, 6 would pay 6 to 5, 8 pays 6 to 5, 9 pays 3 to 2, and 10 pays 2 to 1. So it's all based on how difficult it is to roll a certain number before a 7 comes up. So once you roll your 4 before a 7, you would win there. If you rolled a 7 before a 4, you would have lost that money. So that's the pass line bet.